Legal Services of Northern California is a wonderful place to be a creative, triumphant, rebellious lawyer.
I knew going into law school that I wanted to be a public interest attorney, and Legal Services has a statewide reputation for the quality of work that they do, as well as the training and growth experiences that they provide. So for me, it was a no-brainer.
We have a great deal of discretion to let lawyers explore the kinds of work and the kinds of cases that they want to do. That's one of the real great benefits of coming to work for us.
So our advocates at Legal Services of Northern California are change makers in our community, and I think it starts at the front door when we provide dignity to our clients, and then we talk to them and empower them. Sometimes we're the first people that will listen to them and hear their problems out.
Working at Legal Services of Northern California is just really great experience, especially for a new attorney, because you're working on cases from day one. You're also going to be working in the community, working with clients, policy work, legislative advocacy. You do every part of all the tools that we have within Legal Services of Northern California's toolbox.
Training is a very high priority for Legal Services, and we offer ongoing training. But it begins for new advocates with our new attorney orientation and training. And they get both substantive skills training and training on our core areas of practice, include housing, healthcare, public benefits, and civil rights.
We expect our attorneys to grow, and we help you grow. So there's a trajectory. When you first come, you get cases, you're just trying to figure out how to interview people. And then as time goes on, we'll add you to our briefs. You're gonna be writing briefs, you're gonna be out in the community, then you're doing community presentations, then you're a lead in the community. Our job is to work with you to grow on your trajectory so you become a better attorney.
One of the things that we do at Legal Services is provide a mentor for new attorneys. So it's somebody outside of your office that you can connect with and run cases by and just get new ideas.
So the law is always changing, and that means that we have to keep up. With 8 field offices, many of which are hours apart, it's very important as an organization that we come together occasionally. So every 2 years we have an all-staff meeting where we gather for both team building and training.
One of my favorite parts about working at Legal Services in Northern California is that I'm not just in an office doing research or writing memos all day. There's hearing experience, there's potential for trial experience, and I get to spend time out in my community talking to folks about the services that we can provide that can make a difference in their lives.
Just in my first year, I have done several hearings, even trials on my own. I'm doing at least 1 hearing a month at this point, so getting lots of experience in front of different judges, which has really helped my confidence as an attorney.
Representing individual clients is a very important part of what we do, but the great thing about working at Legal Services is that through those individual clients, we find out about larger problems that are affecting all people who are in poverty in our community. And we're able with one lawsuit to change a county policy or a state policy. Our systemic advocacy is an amazing thing that we do here at Legal Services that not a lot of people know about.
In private practice, it's difficult to actually make change to the legal system because you're concerned about the financial impact of each case. In Legal Services, we are not concerned with the finances of how much money we are going to make off of a case. The only thing that we care about is pushing the law to further the justice for our clients.
It's not just me, but many of the people who are here because they felt called to be here. They're truly invested in our client community and doing what we can to make sure that we can help people get out of poverty.
There is no one but us who will speak for those who are on the lowest rung of the socioeconomic ladder. And so without us in those communities, there would not be a voice.